Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a square piece of paper, fold it into two triangle halves. Again the same step. And fold it inwards to the bottom. To the upward again. From the other side too. Now fold the top like this. Now the face of the kitten is nearly done. Make some detailing so that it may look cute and aesthetic. Now some features. Done. Now take another piece of the same measurement. Fold it into two equal halves. Now to the crease, bend the corner. Again from the other side. Bend it. Bend the tail type structure. We have to make a tail of the kitten. Okay. Now it's the trick. Hope you are learning it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now add the tails on the bottom part too, on the tail and on belly portion. Join the head and the bottom, and ta-da! The kitten is ready. See you in the next video. Bye bye.